ぎてゆく時の中あなたを思い出す物憂げに眺める画面に映った二人笑ってた知りたくないほど知りすぎてくことただすぎる日々に飲み込まれたのそれでもただもう一度だけ会いたくてあなたの言葉にうなずき信じた私を一人置き去りに時は過ぎる見えていたはずの未来も指の隙間をすり抜けた戻れない日々のかけらとあなたの気配を今でも探してしまうよまだあの日
Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. I am Mukrizami bin Azmi and this is my nephew Muhammad Adam Ryan. So today I'm going to teach you guys about the basic freestyle for swimming. So let's go. Before that guys, we must know the 5 letter of acronym which is B, I forgot. BLBAT. So which is means B, the first B is for the body, the second is L, L is leg, the third one is B again, the breathing, the fourth one is A, A is arm, the last but not least is the timing lah. So we combine all the body, leg, breathing, arm. So it goes by a good flow lah. Okay, before we jump into the pool, the first thing we must do is wash our body from the dust. So to make sure the pool is clean, so the cleaner won't mad at us. Wash our body properly from the head to the toe, from the head to okay. And then we must do dynamic stretching. Okay, just a simple stretching lah. Make sure you are not cramped underwater. Okay, just twist your body. Iya. Aduh. Okay, we go to our first acronym is B, body. Okay, this is how we do it. We just push from the side of the pool. Okay, this is from the side view. Okay, push and glide, just like that. Okay, the second acronym is L, which is leg. So you must do like this. Okay, you cannot lipat your lutut. You must straighten your leg. Okay, this is how you do. Okay, you kick with a little splash. You must point your toes. Okay, just like that. So this is the third acronym, which is B, breathing. So we do the side breathing for the freestyle. Inhale with mouth, exhale with nose, just like that. Side breathing. So this is the acronym A, which is arm. Okay, you must put your hand up like this. So you make a big circle, a full circle. Okay, just like that. Easy, right? Okay guys, we go to the last part. The last part is T, which is T is timing. The timing is actually the combination of all 4 acronym earlier that I do, which is B body, L leg, B breathing, and the arm. So combine all together, and then you will go with the flow. So but you need to make sure there's nothing you can done successfully without a training. So you need to training more to make it perfect. So before we end this video, I want to give you some tips. So there is the 3 things that you need to master. The first one is hand tapping. The second one is splash kicking. The last one is side bending. When you master all these 3 things, and then you can do a freestyle like flawlessly. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bodoh banget.